Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to copy TikTok profiling, and now let's dive right in. Now to copy TikTok profiling, first open up your TikTok app, and from over here guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile icon. Tap on that profile icon, and over here guys you can see the share profile option available for us just beside the edit profile. Tap on share profile, and you will be able to either give this QR code, or you can see the copy link button at the bottom right side of your screen. Tap on copy link, and you can see the link is copied on our clipboard, and you will be able to paste it wherever you like. You can direct message it to someone. You can say let's just copy it for showing you, and tap and hold on send message. Let's paste it, and this is our TikTok profiling guys. And guys, this is how to copy your TikTok profiling. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.